Sam kanal nu filmat från shoppen.
We really need to find someone. Right? We really need to find someone. Whoa, they're moving fast. Thank you, bro. Wait, it's not that. Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that?
What?
What did he say?
No, you look good, but
Picture or something.
no, he was like saying like you look good with the pro.
Oh my god.
What the heck is this?
That's a play zone.
Like an arcade or something, I think.
It's just for the kids. See, lots of people are like buying stuff and going and just having
And
it.
everyone is like buying some sort of ice cream. Did you see that? Like,
Yeah, it's like, you know,
yeah, they push it.
I don't know how much you guys are like hungry. Like, I'm super hungry. This guy's vlog.
on the end of the street.
In the
Irish, yeah,
Irish pub.
yeah, Irish pub. This is I was here one time.
What do you
Okay.
think about like teenagers, like people our age?
I don't know. We don't go to the bars.
Oh, okay. You don't drink?
Yeah.
You don't drink?
No, very young.
How old are you?
19.
19.
Yeah.
But what I heard is like Polish people, they drink hard, they drink hard.
Yeah.
But you're 19, guys.
Yeah, 1 liter. In
Only
one
1
pack.
liter.
Can you explain what this is?
This place?
No,
This. We don't know.
you don't know the people.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from? Not from Gdansk?
Yeah.
You're from Gdansk?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very beautiful city. It's gorgeous.
This is the main.
Beautiful city, beautiful people.
Yeah. So Irish bar is
Yeah,
like
yeah.
In the end on the left.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, man.
Alright, yeah, thank you. Ciao.
Thanks, bro.
Take care. Try to say like fuck your mom to one of them. Just fuck your mom to one of them. Just say it. Just say it.
What is this guy? These guys must be like a biking club something.
Yeah, for sure.
I think
Yeah,
they're bikers.
yeah, they're bikers. I can like, you can see by the jacket, right?
They're like straight out of The Walking Dead, bro.
Yeah, I mean like, look at this.
It's like really
Gangster.
I mean, like the whole group is an event, you know. What I mean?
Exactly. Yeah, I mean like Harley. Is it? No, band something. Weird.
They're gonna close soon, yeah. We don't have the money. Yeah, we broke. we broke. We broke.
Right now, I'm the most broke.
Trust me, you're not.
Bro, I'm
Trust
in
me,
debt,
you're
bro.
not.
You
Trust me.
lost 70 euros. For me, I am already minus 200 euros. Second, I got
Bro, I had like in my account it's like 102 or something. I was like, okay, tomorrow I'm gonna get that gun stuff.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Oh shit, yeah.
Bro, he charged me fucking 76 euros.
But like you have 3 more days, right?
Yeah.
Not 3 more days. Tomorrow
And
and
tomorrow-
on Monday I'm going back.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, bro. 2 days, 30 euros. It's enough.
You'll be fine.
You're gonna survive.
Trust me.
I mean, I can survive, but that activity that
Yeah,
cost me
yeah,
like 40
yeah.
euros.
Yeah. I
Ah,
hope you find your sugar mama.
I'm not sure, but I must now.
Like I'm saying, like I hope.
I got it.
And maybe if
Pray
you do,
for me.
Yeah, I will for sure. You need it.
No, in Italy, like it's like
Niet,
more
niet.
niet. In Italy, niet.
Hello, madam.
Hello, madam.
That's so nice.
I like these guys.
Bro, they look so cool.
I mean, they are unique in the whole street.
I mean, he said Irish pub on the left, so I guess.
Yeah.